What comes to mind when you think of a cheating gear in overall? A cheating gadget, in my opinion, is a device that could be used to circumvent a security system, whether it's a single alarm or a series of them. Today, we'll be looking at the most prevalent exam cheating devices used by students and how to prevent them from being used in examinations, online classes, or school tests. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know all about them. Number 10. Mini Magnetic Pen Camera. Excellent mini camcorder in 1080p, the small camera can be used as a video recorder. 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second with a 130-degree rotating super wide-angle lens to capture a bigger view during recording. Micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes are supported. Simple to set up and configure, this video recorder is very simple to set up and configure. To start and stop recording, simply push the button. Simply connect the device to your computer or smartphone and listen to the recordings. Number 9. Secret Bracelet. Secret's new wristband will be able to mirror Android, Apple, and Windows Phone devices, according to the company. It runs Android 4.4 and comes with 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. There's also a vibrator for notifications, as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios. Yes, you may now use your arm to scroll through your feeds, text, or email. There are other notes. Such a clever way to get away with it. Number 8. Rxo Vintage Watch. The most popular timepiece for exam success. With enhanced text scrolling speed, there are no more delays, making it much easier and faster to find solutions. You can adjust the brightness with 4 distinct text modes. And of course, there's our tried and true emergency button, which will keep you safe at all times. The watch is ready to use right out of the box, which means you won't have to install any software. It's simple to use and works with a .txt file, JPEG, GIF, and BMP files. Number 7. Magic Calculator V2. The Magic Calculator version 2 appears to be a standard scientific calculator, but it contains secret capabilities that can be utilized as strong test tools. It also has a considerably larger touchscreen display, so you can easily view your images, formulas, and notes. Don't worry about storage, because the device has enough space to hold all of the information you'll need in the exam room, including video lessons. There's also an auto-scrolling text that moves quickly, making it easy to locate where you type the answer. Furthermore, you won't be discovered cheating owing to the emergency button, which allows you to quickly quit text and return to the calculator. Number 6. Livestream Wi-Fi glasses. These spectacles appear to be ordinary, but they conceal a secret HD camera and power lens for live streaming. With this camera and a Wi-Fi module, you may share what you see with pals on the other side of the world over the internet. This means you may submit them the questions you see in the test room, and they will respond quickly. Furthermore, the glasses come with an app that connects to your smartphone immediately. The loop recording feature allows you to record the exam paper for future reference. You may quickly turn the glasses on and off with a simple buttonless touch without drawing suspicion. They also have a motion detection and alert message feature, as well as a 1.0 megapixel lens, 128 gigabytes micro SD support, and a 75-minute battery, all of which make your life easier throughout the examination. Number 5. Bluetooth Pen. It's the first device in the world to combine the features of a high-quality voice recorder, a flash drive, and a wireless headset in one device. You can use it as a pen replacement or just utilize the voice activation feature to record audio covertly. Simply press the top of the pen's button to begin recording and hold it down to stop. Because the device includes built-in microphones, it may be used as a regular pen to take notes. It can also play back the audio recording by connecting to your phone or computer. Number 4. The Smartwatch. The smartwatch features all the bells and whistles of a traditional watch, including a display, an alarm, a stopwatch, and other functions that will help you time your exam. The only difference is that it has other concealed high-tech elements that allow students to cheat without being discovered. These features include the option to photograph the exam's questions, It can also record the professor's voice, capture videos of exam questions, and even search the internet. When the gadget is connected to a wireless earphone, the data from the recorder can be used in the exam room. Students can also submit recorder questions to a distant person, who will subsequently send the answers to their smartwatches. Number 3. Smartphone Controller. The smartphone controller is a Bluetooth-enabled device that allows you to control your phone from a distance. Although the majority of these devices are built for smartphones, they can also be used on tablets and other smart devices. The device is designed for folks who want to use their phone without getting up and walking over to it. It allows the user to control their phone or tablet using a combination of buttons and a wheel that allows them to navigate their mobile device's apps. Install the Cheat Sheet app, which allows you to easily access folders, texts, PDFs, and other documents on your phone if you wish to utilize it for exam cheating. The device can then be worn on your chest, and you can touch it to change the folder or page on your smartphone. Number 2. Invisible Watch. The best and most advanced cheating watches on the market now are the Invisible Watches. It's tailored to assist you in passing your school's final exams. It has a basic and user-friendly interface that makes it incredibly straightforward to use. The watch is a technological marvel that can record and save up to 1,000 hours of video and music. It can also connect to your computer and smartphone through USB for synchronization. It's a terrific way to capture lectures and presentations, as well as a great way to keep track of your own notes for later use. When looking at the watch's screen, it seems empty and blank, deceiving any invigilators. However, if you wear special glasses, you will be able to see all of the notes that have been pre-installed. Number 1. Spy Bluetooth Earpiece. The Spy Bluetooth Earpiece is an item for you if you're seeking for a new generation device that will help you acquire that degree without too much trouble. This device is a groundbreaking invention that allows pupils to receive real-time information from an external source. The earpiece is connected to a smartphone, and the information is delivered to the learner via auditory impulses in his or her ear. Students can get precise answers to their queries with this technology, and they can even repeat them afterwards. You only need to pre-record exam information on your mobile devices to use this equipment. The invisible earpiece is then connected to your phone. After that, you should leave your phone fully charged at a safe location and only bring the earpiece with you to the exam room. You can then use Bluetooth to play the pre-recorded MP3s to get the exam answers. That's a wrap for the 10 crazy exam cheating gadgets for students available on Amazon. Which of these gadgets are on your list, or do you have your eyes on them already? Do you have more gadgets in your sight? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.